Welcome to Learn to Crochet with Daisy. In today's lesson, we will learn how to make the lemon peel stitch. This pattern uses single crochet and double crochet. Here is one that I've already made. It's a very simple pattern and gives an interesting texture to any project. So let's begin. To start, you need to chain any number of odd chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Skip the first chain, and in the second chain from the hook, so I'm skipping this, and in the second chain, I'm going into the little bump at the back of the chain. I'm going to make a single crochet. In the very next stitch, make a double crochet. So this is the basic stitch of the lemon peel pattern. So it's single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. I got my tongue rolling. So single crochet in the next chain, and a double crochet in the next chain, single crochet in the next chain, and double crochet in the next chain, single crochet in the next chain, and double crochet in the next chain. And chain one and turn, and now so we ended the previous row with a double crochet, and we are going to single crochet in the double crochets and make a double crochet in all the single crochets. So since we finished with a double crochet in the last row, we're going to start with a single crochet and then a double crochet in the next single crochet. Can you see that? Yeah. So here is the single crochet and the double crochet. So we made a SC in the DC and a DC in the SC. So we make an SC and then a DC, and then an SC and a DC, and an SC and a DC. So you keep repeating this row as long as you want the pattern. So SC, DC, SC, DC, SC, DC, SC, and DC. So since the two stitches are of different heights, what happens is the two single crochet on either side of the double crochet will pull the stitch down together, causing it to crunch up together. So you'll have these little blobs sort of a thing. That's what makes the pattern. You can already see the pattern forming here, so you can see these 6 blobs. So that's because the single crochets are pulling the double crochet down. I'll make 2 more rows and stop just to show you how it looks. So SC, DC, SC, DC, SC, DC, SC, DC. It's actually not necessary to begin with odd number of chains. You can begin with any number of chains, but you just have to remember that in the next row you will make a single crochet in all the double crochets and make a double crochet in all of the single crochets. So as long as you follow that pattern, you will get the same effect. Double crochet, single crochet, and double crochet. So here I've got my lemon peel stitch. So it gives you a very light texture. I don't know if you can see it in the video. So this is how you make the lemon peel stitch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. So keep practicing this stitch, and I will meet you in the next lesson where we will do another simple stitch. So happy hooking!